everybody, I'm Claire in the BA Test Kitchen. Wait. And today we're making gourmet Coca-Cola. I haven't had Coke since I was a little kid. I'm from St. Louis. Oh, it's sweet. Burns my nose. I'm just excited I don't have to temper chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna head over to Gabby's computer to do some research. Coca-Cola sells products in over 200 countries, accounts for over 40% of Swaziland's GDP. Wait, so does this mean that Coca-Cola is an illustrative example of corporatism and globalization in the contemporary era? I think the hardest part is gonna be achieving this level of carbonation. Hey Gabby, can we order this industrial carbonator? I just like to use the same equipment our viewers have at home. Now it's time for my favorite part, reading the ingredients. I thought they stopped doing that.
All right, so today we're taking a look at globalization throughout the 20th century. This isn't necessarily a new concept. The first time we saw a truly global economy develop was back in our units on 1450 to 1750, in that early modern era when we saw the Great Convergence for the first time, in Afro-Eurasia and the Americas being connected through networks like the Columbian Exchange. From there, we've become more interdependent as a global society. And today, most of our national economies could not exist without others around the globe. So a lot of that is attributed to new technologies, international policies, and governing bodies. So we're going to take a look at what exactly globalization means in a modern context, and take a look at how it's impacting individuals' lives in the present day. So we're going to start on page 69 in your packets. You're going to use the globalization reading to brainstorm some impacts of globalization, fill out the graphic organizer, and then when you get to the bottom of page 69, you'll be choosing a citizen profile, anyone you want from this list, and answering questions here from that person's perspective, to help us see a little bit how individuals are impacted by this process of globalization. That's really all around us. Next, we're taking a look at the Green Revolution. This is, again, just practice reading documents. It's the last time you'll have a document set of 7, but I really like this one because it's helpful in teaching the Green Revolution as well, learning a little bit about why these initiatives were launched in the period from 1945 to 1990. Some of you actually cited this in our debates earlier this unit, so I apologize if it's a little repetitive. But you'll look at the extent to which the Green Revolution resolved issues relating to food and agriculture, a couple different impacts or changes that you find in the documents. This is most important here, this outside knowledge. I will be reading these 2 boxes very closely when you submit, because it's important that we use outside knowledge that doesn't just support our understanding of one of the documents or point of view analysis, but actually demonstrates that impact or change that you're trying to prove in your essay. So whatever you put here has to directly support this claim. Once you're finished, you'll upload all these pages, and this is the last day of our units on 1900 to the present, and our last day of new content for the year. So celebrate, pat yourselves on the back, make it go out with a bang, make this good, your response to the question down at the bottom of page 73. I'm also really interested to hear what you have to say about this. One thing I did for my freshmen, we did a module on Confederate monuments, and I compiled all of their responses in a document and shared it with them so they could see what everyone else in the class said. And I'll probably do it with your responses here to this reflection question. So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck and congratulations. You have officially completed the content and context and skills and everything you need for AP World History, at least I hope.